My name is Tana, and I live in Moose Jaw in the 1870s. I live off the land. Hi, my name is Haley. I live in Moose Jaw in the 2015. I am a treaty person. I share the land. What do you hunt for? I hunt for bison and water. What do you? I don't hunt at all. What's your daily task? I build teepees. What's yours? Well, I go to school. How do you say hello in your language? It's Tanti. You already know mine, right? Yes. What's your shelter? I live in a teepee. What's yours? I live in a house. What's a house? It's the thing that I'm near. Not a teepee, a house. Oh, cool. That end. I hope you like the show.